Uh, it is Tuesday, March 24th, and it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. Just wanted to go over with you what I sold in the last 2-3 days. Kind of slow, small time stuff, but you know what? It's better than nothing. Mercari, my third sale. It's finally starting to kick in, I hope. I sold a bunch of trivets, which are already sealed up in a bag, so I really can't show you, but this is what sold. These things, they're old cast trivets, I guess, for putting hot plates on and stuff, and they hang them on the wall. You got all these dumb old sayings on them. I had it up for like 23 bucks. Somebody made me a $10 offer. I countered with 15. They came back with 13. Hi. So they went out. I just accepted the offer to get them out of my life, and $4.99 shipping. So they're out of here, and that's the last of the Mercari sales. Let's see what else we got. I got a sale on Etsy. Oh, I forgot to pull it. It's a, oh, here it is. Blacklight flashlight. No big deal. It's like just a little tiny, regular old flashlight. But, I, see this? Oh, there's no battery in it. It's a black light. Everybody knows what a black light looks like. I bought, I needed one to test uranium glass, which glows under a black light, and so I can keep it in my pocket when I go picking or looking for stuff, antique shops, so I know it's uranium glass. I went on Amazon and I went to buy one, and it was like $6, and you could buy 5 for like 15. So I did that. I kept 2 for myself and put the rest online, and I think this is the second one I sold, so I've already paid. I think I charged $6.99 plus shipping each. They're taking a while to sell, but I made my money back, and I got a couple free flashlights. Oh, it's all good. Those are gone. That went to Hammond, Indiana. I don't know where the trivets went. Doesn't matter. Sold one of these. These are pretty cool. It's a New York State Police scuba divers patch. That went out to Windsor Locks, Connecticut for $10 plus free shipping. That just goes in an envelope. No big deal. Oh, sorry, I'm kind of distracted here. eBay. We sold a compact backpack, military looking thing. Let me see. I'm sorry, I am bouncing all over the place. I've had way too much coffee today. I mean, way too much. And that's gone. So, never mind. It's a little green backpack. That went to Conneaut Lake, Pennsylvania for 21 bucks. Free shipping. We sold this, a Land Rover from Britain. Made in Britain anyway. Pretty beat up, but kind of tiny, cool. That went for 10 bucks plus $8 shipping to Grimes, Iowa. That's gone. ProShot stainless steel cleaning rod. I picked this up in a bunch of hunting stuff I got. Thing's all stainless, man. Real nice. About 3 feet tall. That went to Liberty, Kentucky for 19 bucks plus 10 bucks shipping. This is the one that really got me. This thing has been sitting on a shelf, bottom shelf, for almost 2 years. I got this a couple years ago in a big cleanup. with a bunch of RC stuff and mechanic stuff and welding and all kinds of crap. And I didn't know what to do with it. I didn't know what it was. So finally, I figured I'd put it up on auction. And I started out, check this out. Oh, I started out with a 99-cent auction 3 days ago, 4 days ago, my birthday, March 20th. Put it up for 99 cents. Almost immediately started getting hits. March 21st was up to $25. I don't know why it bounces back to March 20th, but 22nd went up to $60. 65. 23rd, wow, we got a boatload of bids. Went all the way up to $157.50 in 3 days. Plus, I think there was like $20 shipping on it. And that went out to, I don't know, who did that go out to? Woodbridge, Virginia. Yeah, $157 plus $10 shipping. So that was a nice one. Nice to make a big sale once in a while. So that's it. I got to get these out tomorrow morning, get them packed up today. And that's it. Morning. It's March 28th, Saturday. No barn sale today. Probably for another couple of weeks. Just wanted to do a fast. What I'm doing here is cleaning up some piano rolls. Check these things out. I've probably got a couple of dozen of them. They're player piano rolls. Star of the Sea. Huh. Got a bunch of them. Check them out. Look at that. The box alone is pretty cool on some of these. Oh, sorry, I got to remember to come in close. Pretty cool. So yeah, I got a couple dozen. I've seen them for sale online, so wow, I got more than a couple dozen. Damn. That's 10, 20. Wow, probably got about 30. Yeah, I've seen them online selling, I don't know, anywhere from $3 to $20, depending on condition and type of music. So I don't want them. They gotta go. Hey, the Blue Danube vaults. Wow. Yeah, they gotta go. Same with this pile. This is what I'm working on today. I am going to knock this pile down. I don't care where it goes, but it's going. I need some room. I got a pile of yearbooks. Wow. Most of them, I think a bunch of them are from Cincinnati, New York. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. They got to be cleaned up and listed today. So that's my goal. This friggin' pile knocked down and out of my way. And then I can get onto my cleaning bench. That needs a cleaning. Wow. All this stuff has been cleaned and it's ready to go online. I could probably use 3 listers. Yeah. Alright, it went on way longer than I thought. Later. Hey, well, it's about 5 hours later and I got about 12 things listed. Wow. You wouldn't think it'd take that much time, would you? 12 things. But anyway, this is what I got. I got some, sorry, I got some of the stuff cleared out. I made a dent in it, but I've been finding some stuff I didn't even know I had. Check this thing out. I don't even know what's in it. Look at that. It's a pretty cool trunk suitcase thing. Let's see what we got in it. I don't know. It might be something. It might not be. Wow, bugger's old. Huh. Wow. In case you're wondering on the size, kind of hard to tell size on this thing. 20 inches, about 20 by 20. There's nothing in it. Cool, might look good cleaned up. I must have 10, 15 trunks out there too. Oh my God, man, there's so many of them. A lot of them get pretty beat up. There's another suitcase here. Where it went? There's that thing. I'm gonna get that cleaned up and out. All right, just want to do a bunch of little clips and stick them all together. Probably it'll be a couple of days, so we'll see. I'm done. It's 5 o'clock Saturday. I am finished. 5 o'clock, 4:15. All right, see you tomorrow.